Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert box symbol in Miss Word. We will open the Word document. After that, from the Insert menu, click on the symbol option. There, click on More Symbols. Here, locate the square symbol. When you select it, click on Insert. Close this window and you will have the checkbox. Now from the symbol, you can add the desired number of boxes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.